These are surprising facts you didn't know about airplanes. Did you know that the world's first scheduled commercial flight took place on January 1st, 1914? The flight covered a distance of 23 miles, 37 kilometers, between St. Petersburg for the experience. Quite a bargain compared to today's affairs, am I right? Long-haul flights can be exhausting for flight attendants and pilots. That's why some airplanes have secret rest areas. These hidden compartments are equipped with beds allowing the crew to catch some during the flight. When an airline reaches the end of its operational life, it doesn't just vanish. Aircraft recycling centers dismantle the planes, salvaging valuable materials like aluminium, titanium, and engines. Some retired planes even find new life after service. The black box isn't black. Contrary to its name, the black box, officially called the flight data recorder, it's actually bright orange. This color makes it easier to locate after a crash. It records crucial flight data and cockpit conversation, helping investigators investigate, understand what went wrong. Finally, fact 5. The world's shortest commercial flights, open board the Logan Air. Flight between Westray and Papa Westray in Scotland. The distance from mere 1.7 miles, 2.7 kilometers. Flight duration around 1 minute. It's officially the world's shortest flight. That's crazy. So there you have it, guys, 5 facts from about airplanes. Wherever you're off to, have a safe trip and a safe journey.